the aero starts. Instructor on that unit, which is the operational conversion unit training pilots to fly the Typhoon operationally. That was at 100 feet, his opening pass, but he's now going to be performing a barrel roll coming into us on the 45-degree line. Power there of 2 Eurojet EJ200 turbofans. Expect to see the undercarriage on the Typhoon coming down. This is a display that mixes the high and the low speed elements of the Typhoon's envelope very effectively. Gear down now, landing lights on. The display pilot for this year, part of number 29 Reserve Squadron at RAF Coningsby. There are 2 operational Typhoon units also stationed there, numbers 3 and 11 squadrons. And there's a very uncomfortable outside push. Extremely uncomfortable for the pilot. He now put the Typhoon into a minimum radius turn to recapture the display line before putting into what's known as the turbulence. It's all about to get a little quieter now. Jamie slows the Typhoon down for his slow speed pass, which he'll continue to past the display date and the centre point of the display line. The RAF Typhoon force now built up to the 3 squadrons at Coningsby. Also numbers 1 and 6 squadrons currently stationed at RAF Lucas in Fife, set to move, as I mentioned, to Lossiemouth, and 1435 flight at Mount Pleasant, providing the air defence for the Falkland Islands. del Colle in Italy. Boeing 777 that was escorted into Stansted. They get sent up when there's an airline. I just can't believe that the airline can do some of the things that it does.
That's the end of it, time to go home.
Very, very fine indeed.